Welcome to the Connected Wi-Fi tutorials. My name is Keith Gann, and this will be the tutorial on how to change your wireless password for your Wi-Fi. This will also be how you can change your Wi-Fi name and things of that sort. So, first step you'll want to do is make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi of the router, or if you're plugged straight in, that will also work. You'll navigate to whatever selected browser you would like. And then next, what you'll do is you'll go up in your address bar, you'll type in the IP address to whatever router you want to get to. In this instance, we'll be using 192.168.16.1, but it could also be 192.168.1.1. So once we hit enter there, it'll bring you to the network status screen. Now, normally you'll see a password box here, but due to me already being logged in, it will show the connection status and things of that nature. But what we can do is hit that login, and this is going to be your router login page. So your router login page can look one of two ways. The newer ones will look like this, and there are some older ones that will have a picture, and the login will be more to the left of the screen. Um, Both are the same thing. It's just the way they're set up is a little different on the theme. So what you'll do is you'll put in your password here, and this should bring you to the home screen. Once you get to the home screen, like the login screen, this could look a little different depending on which version of the router you have, but most of them will either look like this and have the selection across the top, or the selection will be off to the left and you can select it that way. So moving forward, to change the password for the wireless, you'll hover over network and you'll go to wireless. So once you come to wireless, depending on which router you have, if you have the bigger silver unit that has the 6 antennas, then this is what yours will look like. You should see here radio 0, radio 1. You do not want to mess with those. What you're looking for is the SSID section here and here. So the silver units will have a 2 gigahertz band and a 5 gigahertz band. The little smaller black units with the 4 antennas will only have the 2 gigahertz band. So to change this password, you'll simply go over to edit of the band that you want to change, scroll down, and here is where you can change your name. So default, they're set to home Wi-Fi 2.4 and home Wi-Fi 5. So you can either change the name of it here. You can also hide it so that if you're not going to use the 5 or the 4, with 2.4, whichever one, you can also hide it. But under wireless security, this is where you'll find your password. So by default, all passwords are set to easy pass for you. You will want to make sure that it is the WPA2-PSK, and once you do that, make sure you set the key to what you want it to, and you'll simply save. Once you do that, if you are connected to the 2.4 and you change it, it will kick you off. You have to go back and log in with the new password. Down here, simply be the same thing. You'll hit edit. Here you'll see home Wi-Fi 5. Change it here, hide it if you'd like, or you can go to wireless security. Make sure it's WPA2-PSK, and then this will also be the same as the other one, but you could set 2 different passwords. So if you wanted, your kids to only connect to 2.4 and you have the option to connect whatever you want to, you can do that. But once you change that, you'll simply hit save, and you should be good to go after that. There shouldn't be anything else that you need to do to change your any other settings for the password. The password should automatically update, and all your wireless devices that were previously connected will need to be reconnected. Thank you for joining us during this tutorial today. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team and we will get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you.